If you're currently dealing with opioid addiction, it's important to remember that you're not alone. Studies show that 11.4 million Americans misused pain medicine in 2016 and 2017. Opioids include a wide variety of drugs. Hard street drugs like heroin and prescription drugs such as oxycodone. The repeated use of opioids can lead to an opioid dependence, which is a chronic and progressive disease. You can't look at the usage of opioids as just a bad habit that you're looking to break. Opioid addiction is a serious disease that alters the chemistry of your brain. That means that if you truly want to stop using opioids, then you may need some outside help in order to make that dream a reality. Despite where you are in your road to recovery, there are options available to help you. One of those examples are Suboxone clinics that are able to prescribe the opioid dependence treatment medication, Suboxone. To better understand the importance of these clinics, it's critical to understand what exactly Suboxone is. Suboxone is a prescription medication that's utilized to help those with an opioid addiction loosen their dependence on the substance. It combines the active ingredients buprenorphine and naloxone into one opioid medication. Buprenorphine helps to relieve the symptoms of opioid withdrawal, while naloxone reverses the effects of the narcotics. If you're looking for a Suboxone clinic, make sure that the doctors are Suboxone certified. You also need to consider if the clinic has therapy or counseling services available. When it comes to treating opioid addiction, medication is only one part of the journey to recovery. Counseling, in the variety of ways that it's offered, can help you get to the true emotional root of your opioid addiction. As you think about the question of why, your mind may jump to the most superficial answers first, like, it's because it makes me feel good. But there is often a deeper issue that's lying underneath. That's where counseling comes in. The best counseling option truly depends on the individual. As a result, it's important to ask what options are available in order to make sure that the one you prefer is available to you. There are many options for counseling, including individual counseling, family counseling, and group counseling. Each has their own particular benefit. For example, through group counseling, you'll be able to listen and learn about other people who are going through the same experiences that you are. Through listening to their stories, you can gain a new perspective about your own recovery. Before you choose a Suboxone clinic, make sure you do your research and look for specific clinic or provider reviews. First, talk to your primary care doctor about your problems with opioid addiction and the need for Suboxone. They may be able to refer you to a trusted Suboxone clinic in the area. You can also consider telemedicine. Telemedicine is a type of care that's growing in popularity because it brings health care directly to you. If you live in a rural area and opioid dependence treatment isn't readily available, telehealth treatment may be a great option for you. Through telemedicine, licensed physicians and nurses use the power of technology to help you through your Suboxone treatment so you can have the best chance of success no matter where you are. They can help you in a variety of ways remotely, including managing and monitoring the dosage of medications, administering individual and group counseling sessions, and patient screening. The HHS states that it's continually growing the sector of telemedicine in order to expand the reach of treatment for opioid dependence. In order to combat the ever-growing opioid crisis, the United States wants to make sure that everyone who needs care gets it, despite where they may be in the country. Ask your preferred Suboxone office if they offer any options in telemedicine. That way, you can make sure that you're getting the care that's most convenient and beneficial for your success. When you're deep into the thresholds of opioid addiction, you may feel stuck. Despite its struggles, it's important to know that you have options to help you get back to your best you. It all depends on when you're ready to make that commitment. Taking these suggestions can help you find the option that's right for you. In turn, you can take the steps that you need to work through your opioid addiction.